Hello and welcome to week 2 of Google Cloud EMEA Next on Air. We are so glad you've joined us for another week of curated content and opportunities to connect and collaborate with industry experts. I'm Stefano, and my role at Google Cloud is to lead strategic opportunities with our largest clients and partners in EMEA. Whether you're back in the office or joining us from home, this week is all about helping you reimagine how your teams work. As we are all aware, this year we abandoned the traditional paradigm that once defined an enterprise, a specific location and a predefined device. IT teams needed cloud-native solutions to keep their workers connected, on task and productive, no matter where they were located or what device they were using. And Google was ready for this moment. If you watched our opening keynote, you would have heard Thomas mention the number 3 billion. That's 3 billion minutes of Google Meet calls made per day this year. We have seen a similar shift throughout the region. Before the outbreak, about 7% of Europe work at home more than once per week. And as of May, just a few months later, 37% of employees were working remotely, showing that the way we work and live has shifted dramatically. Now, I don't believe that the challenges we faced this year will begin and end in 2020. Some of those changes will accelerate the transition to more permanent, flexible working conditions. So, as we adjust and begin to reimagine how we work, it's important to ask ourselves, do we really need to be tied to an office to be productive and collaborate effectively? Well, the answer is clear to many. A recent survey of CFOs found that 74% of organizations plan to permanently shift some employees to remote work. This week, our session lineup is all about helping you solve for the many issues you have encountered since COVID-19. The first session on my playlist is our solution keynote from Javier Soltero, VP and General Manager of Google's productivity and collaboration tools. He has a huge announcement about the future of work. Here is a quick preview.
And today, building on those strengths and our future vision, I'm proud to introduce some exciting new developments. First, a new name and new icons that reflect our ambitious product vision. Next, a new, deeply integrated product experience that helps people accomplish more at home, at work, and at school. And third, new ways to buy with solutions that are tailored to our customers' unique needs.
Then make sure you join Google Cloud's Managing Director of France, Eric Haddad, for his Q&A session with Airbus Head of Digital Workplace, Andrew Plunkett. Andrew will discuss the outcomes they've seen using Google collaboration and productivity tools and what digital transformation means for Airbus and their business.
It was recognition that, while we had a lot of successes, that really sustainable change for the company was really going to come out of the people. And the people who work in it, the tools they have, and the technology and the way they use technology to innovate, to share information. And it was really seen at the time that we needed to invest in our people, and obviously the decision was made to look at cloud platforms for collaboration suites, and that's the first real driver of this.
There really is something from everyone. You can learn about the future of collaboration at work and at home, explore the productivity benefits of no-code apps with AppSheet, or get some answer to your questions around security and availability. To get access to all our content, register now, build your playlist, and keep track of your favorite sessions. You can take a deep dive into a demo, engage in a Q&A, or book a one-on-one with a Google expert. To keep the conversation going on Twitter or see what others are saying, use our event hashtag to stay engaged. Finally, please check in next Tuesday for the Infrastructure and Security Week. Even more content on demand and opportunities to connect, discover, and engage with us. I wish you an exciting and productive week with Google Cloud. Stay well and safe.